Om. My name is Dr. Vimaldeep Saxena and I welcome you all on 21 days Physical Fitness Challenge organized by Department of Physical Education and Sports, MIT WPU University. We will start today's program with prayer and Omkar. So, for which everybody is expected to sit in an asana. So, presently I am sitting in Siddhasan. 4 तरह के आसन हैं, सिद्धासन, सुखासन, पद्मासन एंड वज्रासन. जिसमें भी आप कंफर्टेबल हो उसमें आप बैठ जाइए. मैं अभी सिद्धासन में बैठा हूँ. लेफ्ट लेग नीचे है, राइट लेग उसके ऊपर है. हाथों की एक मुद्रा होगी, ध्यान मुद्रा. आंखें बंद करेंगे, पीठ की रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी होगी, गर्दन स्ट्रेट. आंखें बंद करेंगे और डीप ब्रीथ इन करते हुए ओमकार करेंगे. हम 3 बार ओमकार करेंगे पहले. सो डीप ब्रीथ इन, ओ, Fold your hands for prarthana. Keep your eyes closed. Om Sehna Bhavatu Sehno Bhunattu Sehviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Today's yoga session is being designed for a power pack yoga. We know and all of us want to perform power pack yoga, but before performing power pack yoga we must understand we need to have 3 things in our body. One is strength, second is flexibility, and third is concentration. If you do not have any one of these things, power yoga is, I would not say not possible, but it is going to be difficult because your body requires full concentration, strength and flexibility. In this series today we will be focusing more on strength, especially the upper part and the lower part. So, while doing this power pack yoga today, let's start with some jogging exercises which we call yogic jogging exercises. सभी लोग खड़े हो जाएंगे. Normal position. There are 12 steps of yogic jogging. आप सभी को मेरे साथ साथ करना है. अपनी यथाशक्ति से करना है. We generally say यथाशक्ति निरंतरम. जितनी शक्ति है उसके हिसाब से कैपेसिटी से करना है हमको. Slowly, slowly. This can be speed up as well. The first pose, second, hands up and leg also. This can be the position. Very good. Third, हाथ कमर के ऊपर और पैर ऊपर उठाना है. जितना पॉसिबल है उतना उठाना है. And all of you seems to be young, so I think you can do it bit faster. Yes? Very good. Now the fourth posture is a kind of half squats which we have all of us done. थोड़ा सा पैरों में distance, कमर पे हाथ. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You must be feeling relaxed after performing this because first 3 yogic jogging exercises are pumping you up. The next one is थोड़ा सा पैरों में डिस्टेंस लेंगे, हाथ सामने रखेंगे and you have to bend towards your right and left. So right, left, right, left. It's working on your thighs, on your knees, right, left. जो हमारे दोस्त यंग हैं वो पूरा भी कर सकते हैं like this. Again, let me repeat, as per your capacity. Okay, the next one is the sidewise bending. हाथ कमर के ऊपर and stretch. आसमान की तरफ देखना है सभी को. Now to the other side. You have to make sure your left leg is stretched. We can do it faster as well. Again, depending on your capacity. This was the sixth one. Seventh one is, now these 6 exercises pump you up, so you may feel a bit of short of breathing. So next exercise will help you out to take or inhale excess oxygen, because oxygen we call prana vayu. पैरों को थोड़ा समांतर, हाथ आगे लेंगे, थोड़ा सा बॉडी को टिल्ट करेंगे, सांस लेते हुए पीछे जाएंगे, five times, 6 times as per the capacity. After this, the next is Trikonasana. पैर में थोड़ा distance लेंगे. Now Trikonasana is stretching your waist muscles, your shoulder, your leg. Simple procedure. Let's do first on left side. So my left side. So take the right hand up, up, up. Now when we are taking right hand up, we have to breathe in. While breathing out, go down, down, down. Now here this hand has to be stretched, कान से लगा हुआ, and your left hand will be touching your left toe. Back. Same we will perform to the right side. Now left hand up, breathe in. Now right hand is touching right toe. Back. Now we can perform this faster as well, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was Trikonasana. Now this is stretching your entire this part. Next is Konasana. So it's so earlier we touched our left toe with left hand. Now left toe with right hand. So again hands up, breathe in, out and touch. दूसरा हाथ आसमान की तरफ, and you have to look at the fingers of your left hand. Now the other side. Now I am looking at the fingers of my right hand. Faster. This was Konasana. The next is Padhastasana. While doing power pack yoga, you must be making sure that your backbone is fully stretched, because most of the time pressure comes on your backbone. So we will do Padhastasana. थोड़ा सा पैरों में distance, हाथ साथ में, सांस लेते हुए हाथों को ऊपर लेना है और सांस छोड़ते हुए हाथों को नीचे लेकर आना है. And we have to try as per the capacity to touch our feet. So let's do it. Breathe in. Breathe out. And try to touch your feet, and if possible you can touch your forehead on your knees. It may not happen on a very first day, but यथाशक्ति निरंतरम, निरंतर करेंगे तो होगा. मैं साइड वाइज करके दिखाता हूं एक बार. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट. This can be done faster as well, 2-3 times. Remember, जब ऊपर जाते हैं तो breathe in, breathe out. Breathing is very much important. अगर breathing नहीं करोगे तो जल्दी थकावट हो जाएगी. And we don't want to be fatigued. So it's better to be breathing as per the instructions. The next one is, which we all have done in our school days. You must remember your PT. Remember? Yes, you must be remembering your school days. Let's do it a bit faster. Jumping, keep jumping, because next is yogic dancing. How would we do? And straight. That's it. Relax. Now these 12 poses are enough for stretching your entire body. Each pose has given you a bit of stretching on each part of your body which is required to perform power yoga. Just for relaxation, you can include the neck exercise by just standing straight, and you have to you just revolve your neck 2 times, that's it. So breathing in, breathe out, head down. Now breathe in, hold, breathe out. One more time, breathe in, hold, breathe out. Now to the other side, breathe in, hold, breathe out, breathe in, hold, breathe out. Head up, breathe in. अगर थकावट महसूस हो रही है ये 12 पोजेस करने के बाद, तो आप 2-3 गहरी सांस ले सकते हैं, जिससे आपकी बॉडी दोबारा से रेडी हो जाएगी आगे योगा करने के लिए. सिंपल प्रोसीजर है, खड़े रहना है और ब्रीद इन करना है. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Okay. So in today's session, we have specially designed 2 things for you, along with of course the pranayam. So today we will do exercise. I told you that flexibility, strength and concentration, these 3 things are required if you are planning to perform power yoga, and strength is our today's focus. So today we will do Baithak and Dandasana. Most of these asanas I am sure you are familiar, you must have seen, but how to perform exactly to get more benefits, let's see today. So let's start first with साधारण बैठक. Simple. इसमें 2 प्रकार हैं, अर्ध बैठक एंड पूर्ण बैठक. पैरों में थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस रखेंगे, हाथों को हाथ में रखेंगे एंड ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, starting with easy exercise so that later on you can perform better. So अभी हमने साधारण बैठक किया, next हम करेंगे राम मूर्ति बैठक, specially for your this portion calf and your ankle and your thighs. This needs to be very much strong because the weight of entire body comes here. So हम क्या करेंगे इसमें, same as साधारण बैठक, but now we will do it on our toes. तो हम पंजों के ऊपर खड़े होकर इसको करेंगे राम मूर्ति बैठक. Breathe in, breathe out, and this. So I am on my toes. So पंजों के ऊपर खड़ा हुआ हूँ मैं, and then let me do it one more time. Okay, let me show you the sidewise pose. So breathe in, breathe out. So you are on your toes, and then normal position. Again going back down on your toes, and then come back. Easy है, जिसको difficult लग रहा है practice से ये आसानी से हो सकता है. Next है हमारा पहलवान बैठक. You must have seen in old Hindi movies wherein you must have seen the wrestling and all. So how पहलवान्स were doing exercises. So this पहलवान बैठक is same we will do. थोड़ा सा पैरों में ज़्यादा distance, हाथों की मुट्ठी को अंगूठा अंदर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have done 10. However, you must remember, if you are not practiced, start slowly. If you will do more on very first day, you will start feeling pain here, here and there, then you would say, no, this is not of our stuff. And then 21 days physical fitness challenge will not be completed. So start with slow process. You can start with 2, 3, 4, 5 and as per your capacity. Okay. So these were 3 asanas, 3 बैठक, as I told, to prepare your thighs, your knees, your calf, your ankle, your entire lower part of body to perform power pack yoga, which we will be performing in coming sessions. The next part is dand. In modern language, if I say, it's dips, you must have heard. But you have seen only 1 or 2 types of dips in gyms. We have got 12 types of different dips to make your upper body strong. So हम दंड करेंगे different types से. I'll take the sidewise pose. So पहले हम इसको बैठ जाएंगे. So I'm sitting in Vajrasan because you need to take few deep breathing to prepare yourself to perform dand. So deep breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay. पहले हम करेंगे साधारण दंड. साधारण दंड करने के लिए एक स्टार्टिंग पोस्चर है, स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन है, जो मैं आपको दिखाता हूं. इस पोजीशन में, इसको हम पर्वतासन भी बोलते हैं. इस पोजीशन में आपके दोनों पैर जुड़े हुए हैं एक दूसरे से, हाथों में थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस है, ठीक है. एंड योर वेट इज कमिंग ऑन योर रिस्ट और योर पाम. ओके, साधारण दंड करेंगे हम. सो फर्स्ट पोजीशन इज, सेकेंड, थर्ड. सो 3 पोजीशन में हम इसको परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. लेट मी डू इट वन मोर टाइम स्लोली फॉर यू. 1, 2, 3. We can do it faster as well. Again as per capacity. जो हमारे बॉडी बिल्डर दोस्त हैं, हो सकता है वो 50 भी कर सकते हैं. And I don't doubt you can do it. But जो जिनकी प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, they can start with 1, 2, 3 first. Okay, and slowly when you will do it, you will be gaining the capacity, the strongness on your shoulder, chest and your wrist and hand of course. Okay. The second is वक्ष विकासक. सभी को बॉडी चाहिए, सभी एडमायर करते हैं एक्टर्स को जिनकी अच्छी बॉडी है. वक्ष विकासक means working on your upper chest, your this line and this line which is connected with your collarbone. And when this portion is good, it looks good as well, you know, after wearing clothes. So let's do this वक्ष विकासक. नॉर्मल डिप्स का जो हम पोजीशन लेते हैं थोड़ा सा अलग है उससे, पैर में थोड़ा डिस्टेंस देंगे हम लोग. नाउ हैंड पोजीशन विल बी लाइक दिस. Okay. So in normal position, what we do, we make it like this. Okay. But here we will be doing like this. Okay. Let me do it one for you. Okay. Simple like dips. 1, 2, keep breathing. 3, 4, 5. हम इसको वक्ष विकासक इसलिए बोलते हैं because when you tilt hand like this, it is directly giving pressure on this part. So your upper part of chest is getting strong. Okay. Third one is Sarpadand. Again, Sarpadand is checking your strength, especially your shoulder and this muscle. Normal position, the way we have done in the first Sadharan Dand. Exactly same position. Breathe in, out. 1, 2, 3, up and back. Now let me tell you, the procedure is simple. Start with Sadharan Dand, then 3 push-ups here, again with breathe and then up and then come back. I'll count and let's try to understand this with the count. So first position, okay, breathe in, down, 1, 2, 3, back. One more time, 1, 2, 3, back. Now जो लोग कर रहे हैं इसको, you can easily tell that which part of your body is exhausting now. You must be experiencing efforts here on your biceps, triceps, shoulder and chest part. This Sarpadand is very much effective, especially to strengthen your upper side muscles. The fourth one is Mishra Dand. So Mishra Dand is checking your capacity of your entire body, upper part and lower part. Position is simple. जब हम इसमें बैठेंगे तो this is the position. आपके दोनों हाथ पैर के अंदर होंगे. Okay? अगर आप इसको बाहर रखेंगे तो बॉडी में इतना स्ट्रेंथ नहीं आएगा. So let's get the right position first. Okay? Now breathe in. Now here what you are doing, when you are jumping back, entire body weight is coming on your upper part, and then when you are jumping in, then also body weight is coming here. So it is testing your entire body. Five, 6, 7, 8. I can do this continuously 15, 20, 25. But I want to give this challenge to all of you to make a practice, to make at least 10 Mishra Dand by next week. This is a challenge to all of you under 21 days physical fitness challenge. I am sure all of you must be accepting this challenge. 10 only, I don't want more, only 10. So these two types, Baithak and Dand, is what has been planned for today's session to make you strengthen. In coming sessions, we will definitely plan for flexibility and concentration. But once your body is strengthened, you would be able to perform better the power yogas. To cool down our body, we will do few pranayams. So for which, sit in a position as I told, any one of 4, Sukhasan, Siddhasan, Vajrasan and Padmasan. So again I am sitting in Siddhasan, my body posture, my hand posture, Dhyana Mudra. Now after doing these asanas, you must be feeling tired, thirsty, fatigue. उस सब को दूर करने के लिए we have got power pack pranayam. Pranayam which gives us pran vayu. तो हम पहला प्राणायाम करेंगे आज की डेट में शीतली प्राणायाम. शीतली प्राणायाम is one of the best pranayams to provide coolness to your inner body. It keeps you calm. इनफैक्ट आपका भूख प्यास को भी कंट्रोल कर सकता है शीतली प्राणायाम. प्रोसीजर बहुत सिंपल है. हाथों की मुद्रा, पैर की मुद्रा, कमर स्ट्रेट, neck straight. In almost all the pranayams, we breathe in through our nostrils, but here we will breathe in through our mouth. So position is, you have to take your tongue out like this, and then you have to make a roll like this. So it's a tube kind of which you are making. Okay. Now through this tube you have to breathe in, inhale, hold for 2-3 seconds, and then exhale through nostrils. I'll do it once, then all of you will perform. Simple. Make a tube of your tongue, breathe in, hold, and breathe out. In a very first movement, you will feel the coolness inside your body. Few people must remember, those who should not do, especially those who have got cold cough problem, they should avoid doing. और जिनको ज़्यादा ठंडी का problem रहता है, they should avoid, they should not do. And mostly this asana should not be done during the winter time. In summer time, it is very much effective. Let me do it one more time for you. So tongue, roll, hold, out through nostrils. In the same process, the next pranayam is Shitkari. So here we have taken breathe in through our tongue by rolling it like a tube. In Shitkari, we breathe in through our teeth. So the position is like this. Okay, and then you have to breathe in, hold, and then again nostril से breathe out करना है. Position, breathe in, breathe out. A bit difference, slight difference between Shitali and Shitkari. Shitali through your tube, tongue, and Shitkari through your teeth. I am sure these two pranayams must have relaxed you after the doing Bathak and Dand. जितना भी आप थक रहे होगे ना, आप अभी relaxed feel कर रहे होगे. In next series, we will be doing the Bhramari pranayam. There is a proper position of doing this pranayam. Your fingers, so your index finger on your forehead, and rest 3 near your eyes like this. Let me do it one more time for you. Your index finger on your forehead and rest 3 like this. This is the front position, and with the thumbs you have to press your ear. You have to press your ear so that बाहर का कुछ भी आवाज़ आपको सुनाई ना दे. And Bhramari pranayam is very well known for soothing down you, for creating concentration. If you are not concentrating, if you are not able to concentrate, you do it 3 or 4 times in a day, you will start feeling concentration. So here the position, now breathe in, and when we breathe out, we have to create a voice like Bhramar, the Bhamra, or you can chant Om as well. Position, breathe in, breathe out. Let's do one more time. Breathe in. Keep your eyes closed. 3 बार ओमकार करेंगे हम, उद्गीत प्राणायाम, उसके बाद प्रणव ध्यान. Breathe in, Keep sitting in this same posture, keep your eyes closed, concentrate on your Ajnana Chakra, the middle part of your eyebrow. मन के जितने भी विकार हैं उनको निकालना है, ब्रीथ स्लो करना है. अगर आप कहीं और कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर सकते तो कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर ब्रीथ, ब्रीथ इन ब्रीथ आउट, स्लोली कॉन्सेंट्रेट. ध्यान इज very much important. आपको सहनशीलता प्रदान करता है, आपको शांत रखता है. हर व्यक्ति को दिन में 15 मिनट 20 मिनट जितना पॉसिबल है ध्यान करना ही चाहिए. कीप योर आइज क्लोज्ड. दोनों हाथों को उठाएंगे, रब करेंगे. Create this energy and provide this to your entire body from your eyes. Open your eyes slowly. So first part was giving you a lot of sweating, tiredness. The second part, the pranayama, it has relaxed your entire body. You must be feeling relaxed now. We will end up today's program by the prarthana. Fold your hands, everybody, close your eyes. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukh Bhag Bhavet. सभी निरोगी बने, सभी स्वस्थ रहें. इस प्रार्थना का मतलब एक बार ओमकार करके आज का सेशन एंड करेंगे. सभी मिलकर मेरे साथ बोलें, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम. ओम.